Hello again. Yesterday in math, we worked on same area, the inside stuff, and different perimeter, the outside fence. So we're going to do some more practice with that today. So you should have your worksheet. And we are going to start solving right now. All right. Okay. Here we go. So same area, different perimeter. The area is going to be 8 for both problems. So remember, finding area, what do? You multiply. So we need something times something equals 8. And same thing over here, because we are doing same area. Okay? So what times what makes 8? 2 times 4. What else? 8 times 1. Good. Now let's draw our squares and see what the perimeter is to prove that you can have the same inside area but a different perimeter. Okay. So if one side is 2, this side is 2. If this is 4, this is 4. Because remember, area is multiplying. Now we're going to add them all up. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Perimeter is 12. All right. Let's draw this one. One side and then 8, then 1. So then we match it on each side. So we have 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. We get 18. So this has our smaller perimeter because 12 is smaller than 18. Okay, let's do it again. Same area, different perimeter. So we need to equal 10, right? Because it says the area is 10. Let me, cover this up so it's not so crazy. Okay, so what times what is 10? 10 times 1. And 5 times 2. Okay, same area, different sides around. So let's solve this out. And then, because remember, with area you multiply, but with perimeter, you add. 22, right? Okay, so one side is 5 and one side is 2. And perimeter, we match our sides to add. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. And it is 14. Very good. It's smaller. Okay. Now our area, the inside section, is 12. So we need to find some problems that equal 12. 3 times 4. And 6 times 2. Or you could do 12 times 1. So let's draw it out again. One side is 3, the other is 4. So then we just match it because it's a rectangle. And remember, with perimeter, we add them up. 7, 7 again, 14. Okay. One side is 6, one side is 2. And with perimeter, we add them up and each side matches because it's a rectangle. So then we add them up. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 16. This is our smaller one. Less fence to have to buy for this one. Okay, that was only 3 problems. So let's do 2 more on the back just to get some extra practice. So go ahead and write this out. And then we'll solve it together. Okay, so we know we need two problems that equal 18. 18 times 1, that's the easiest. What's another one? Hopefully you know these facts by now. 6 times 3, good. All right, draw it out. One side is 18, the other side is 1, and then each side matches each other because it is a rectangle. And perimeter, we add it up. So we have 19 plus 19 is, solve it, 38. And then we have one more. One side is 6, one side is 3. And then we match up the sides because it is a rectangle, and perimeter, we add up all the sides. So we have 9 plus 9 is 18. So this one is smaller. Okay, making more sense? Let's do one more together. If you want to go ahead and get started, do it. Okay, now we need two multiplication problems that equal 24. There's a couple different ways. About 12 times 2. How about 6 times 4? Now, why don't you try to pause me after I finish giving direction, okay? See if you can do them on your own, then hit play to check your work, okay? Pause me now, do these two rectangles, and then check your work, see if you can do it. Okay, you better have solved these problems on your own, and you're just checking your work with me. One side is 12, one side is 2. They match up because it's a rectangle, and then we add them together. 12 plus 12 is 24. 2 plus 2 is 4, and I get 28. Okay. One side is 6, one side is 4. Then we match them up because it's a rectangle, and they have equal sides that match. Then we add them up, and we get 20. That was our smaller one. Hopefully you got it right. Feels good, doesn't it? Okay, now for your independent work, you're going to be in your additional practice workbook, not the colored one. And we are going to be on page 200 and 205, 205. Right? You are going to complete problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, and get it checked. This is just like what we did yesterday in our workbook. So if you want to get that out to help you remember what to do, that's absolutely fine. It's just like what we did yesterday. Okay? And then you do have a discussion post today, so I can check in and see how well you're doing. It's going to be on the back, number 10. That's your DP, your discussion post. All right? You can try the other problems if you want. I'm only asking you to do number 10 as a discussion post. So do the front just like we did yesterday, and then add your discussion post. And we will continue on with a review tomorrow. All right? Hopefully it worked out. And if it didn't, reach out and let us know. We're here to help. Have a great day.